morning, good afternoon, good kasi sabi ko good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Mega love shoutout sa inyo dyan, mga subscribers natin, members and viewers. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, let's go, let's hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and yung like button na yan. Anyway, today is Monday, June 3. June 2. Is it June 2? June 2. Monday, June 2. Yan. So, unfortunately, yung streak natin, the consecutive rides natin ended up in day 43. Dalawa na lang, hindi ko pa pinaabot ng isang kalahating buwan. Well, anyway, kasi I really felt like I needed to rest. So ayun, kaya nag-rest day tayo. Hindi lang isa, 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Talagang hindi ako nag-ride ng Saturday and Sunday. Weekend pa talaga. Pero kasi it's talagang hindi na kinaya ng powers yung talagang it's yung the fatigue, and talagang tinamad na ako nun talaga, kasi talagang it's really a well needed rest for me. Anyway, we will think of another challenge. So for today, we will just keep doing what we do. Bike every day, 30 kilometers minimum. Pag may nararamdaman, 20. Ayan, and we should itatry ko mag-ride ng a bit more or a bit longer, mga 40 siguro to 50 kilometers. So but still the minimum is 30, so will still depends on the mood. Well, anyway, weather right now, it's still weird kasi medyo malamig pa rin siya. Even though kahit sa tanghali umaabot na siya ng 50. Pero in morning talagang malamig pa din siya. May lamig pa rin siya kahit papaano, or may kasamang lagkit na rin. Yun. Day 43, doon natapos ang ating yung consecutive rides. So tingnan natin, soon makuha din natin yung 100 kilometer rides without even knowing it. Basta we will just still ride every day. Rest if needed, when needed. Tapos now I'm going to prepare for my 100 kilometer ride. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko magagawa yan. So I don't know if I will do it on an actual bike path, or I can or do it here sa Khalifa City lang. Tipong 100 kilometers ride is like 10 is 50, 20 na ikot here, 20 na laps. Well, we will see. Titignan natin kung how are we going to push through with that challenge. So titignan natin kung siguro little by little we will increase our ride, and then until tingin ko pag we will do that. Yo, let's go! Madami, na din, no? Madilim-dilim pa pero maliwanag na rin ng konti. Ay, mahangin. Mamaya yan, mas lalong lalakas ang hangin pag ganyan. Yo, let's go, let's ride! Yun, sunrise na. Basta yung araw. Mag-exit na rin ako rito kasi medyo mahirap huminga pag ganyan mainit yung araw, mainit yung lupa. Kahit anong inhale mo, parang kukunting pumapasok sa baga mo. Tapos yung ano pa, yung alam niyo alimuom, yung kasi ano yung ma-wet yung ano, mahamog. So parang basa yung, parang moist yung ano, yung kalsada. Tas yung amoy masakit sa tiyan. Yun. Wala na, may mag-exit na tayo dito. So 5 kilometers na lang, 30 kilometers na ako, pero ano, if I'm not having fun, I'm not having fun. Kumbaga, I will stop at mag-exit na ako dito kahit pa sabi mong 5 kilometers na lang, makukomplete ko na yung 30. It's okay. I'll just end up at 25. Ayun. Pero kasi ito na kasi yung pagbabike ko na to, hindi to pilitan, hindi to yung masabi lang na makapagbike ako kahit miserable. The aim is to have fun. That's the number one goal, is to have fun, then lose weight. Yes. Yan ang ano natin. Ang goal natin for kaya tayo nagsa-cycling, nagbabike is to have fun. Well, anyway, exit na tayo dito. Si madam, ako kumpletuhin doon yung 30 kilometers. Although isang ikot na lang naman yun. So ako exit na ako dito. Ayan o. Tapos sasabayan pa yung amoy ng fume. So sakit sa tiyan. Aray. Ayan, naka-exit na tayo. Pawd ako doon Kumbaga, hindi naman siya sa hindi ako nag-enjoy. Nag-enjoy naman ako, pero up to this point, you know, pag yung tipong dumating ka na sa point na it's no longer fun, then you have to stop. May bukas pa naman do it again tomorrow. Kasi there are times naman na tipong 30 kilometers bitin, mga ganyan. So yun. And there are times din naman na you need to push yourself a little, but this is not the time. You know? Anyway, dami na tayong pinagsasabi. Let's go, see you at home. Yun, dito na tayo sa neighborhood. Thank you Lord for the safe ride. Thank you po sa inyong mga nakahabot dito, mga subscribers natin, members, viewers. Thank you very much po sa lahat ng mga sa mga group na nakasupport sa atin. Team Kiti-Kiti, Darna, Team Darna, Team 99, Team Red Rose, Team International, Red and Green. Siyempre yung aking 1K Elite Team. Iyan, hanggang dito na lang ang ating video for today. Until tomorrow. So what will we? So I haven't thought of a challenge yet. So mag-isip tayo ng a challenge for ourselves so that we keep on pushing. But in the meantime, we are back to square one. This is day one of which challenge? I don't know which challenge, but this is day one. Yan, if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. See ya. Ow.